Hello friends, in this video you will see the working of Python strings. A string is a sequence of characters enclosed inside a single quote or double quotes. For example, here single quotes Python is same as double quotes Python, both are strings. Sometimes triple quotes can be used to represent multiline strings and docstrings. For example, here x is a variable which will store multiline string. So here I am using multiline string with triple quotes. When you print the value from x, it will display your multiple line strings. You can also use single quote as well as double quotes. So both are same. Now let's see how to access values in strings. Accessing values in strings. Python does not support a character data type. The individual element of a string is considered as substring. So here you can see the series of characters. So Python does not support any character data type. The individual element is considered as substring. So how to access these substrings? To access substrings, use square brackets, as you can see here, for slicing along with the index or indices to obtain substring. So within square brackets, just pass an argument, that is index or indices, to obtain substring. The index must be an integer. We cannot use any float or the other data types. Index value can be start from left and right side. Left index starts from 0 and right index start with -1. As you can see here, my string is Python. So my index from left side will be start from 0 and index from right side will be start from -1. So here s1 is the variable which will store string, that is Python. Now how to access substrings using square brackets or indices? When we use s1 in square brackets 2, it means it will extract a substring at index position 2, that is t. So from index position 2 it will extract t. In the next statement s1 minus 2, it will extract string at index position -2. So the position -2 is here, that is from right side, so it will return O. Using slicing operator, you can access like this: start from 0 and extract the element from 0 to n minus 1, that is 0 to 3. So from 0 to 3, all the elements p, y, t and h. So it will gives p, y, t, h. In the same manner, if you want to extract elements from starting position 2 to n minus 1, that is 4, so it will extract 2 to 4, so it will gives you 2 to 4, that is THO. Here starting position is not given, so we will consider here the index position will be start from 0 to n minus 1, that is 5, so 0 to 5, that is Python. And in the next statement, start from -1 to n minus 1, or we can say -4, and left only one argument. So -1 to -4 and left only one argument, so it will gives you NOH. Let's understand it by doing practicals so we can understand it clearly. For example, here is a string hello Python. If you use to extract element from variable x at index position 0, so it will gives you h. So the position of this substring or character is at index position 0. Extract the element at index position 1 to 5, it means n minus 1, so it will extract from index position 1 to 4, that is 0, or from 1, so it will start from 1 to 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So it will gives you the result ELLO, like this. If your string is Python, let's try with some other index positions. So 2, if you are using extract the element from index position 2, so it will extract at index position 0, 1 and 2, that is t, so it will return t. When you use -2, so it will return O. Why? Because our right side index will start from -1, so at -1 the position of string or substring is n, and at -2 it will extract O. When you use 6 with colon, it means start from index position 0 to n minus 1, that is 0 to 5, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, so it will return Python. Let's try with negative argument. Start from right side, that is from index position -1 to -4, then left or escape one character. -2, that is -1, so it will escape one character. If you use -3, so it will escape two characters. 3 minus 1, that is 2, so it will escape two characters. So now I am using 2. When you run this file, so it will return N or H. N or H. -1, the value of this n at index from right side, that is -1, that is n, and escape one element from here, so it will escape O, and next argument is H, so it will extract N or H and escape one element in between. If you use 3, so it will escape two characters, so it will return only N. Now let's see how to update strings. Updating strings. How to update strings? Strings in Python are immutable. It means we cannot change the value. For example, if you want to change some value in index position at index position 0 in variable x, so update the value or change the value a, so it will gives you an error. Or you cannot update the value in a string. Print x. So here you can see it will gives you an error. String object does not support item assignment. But you can update a string by reassigning a variable to another string. For example, here my string is Python string. Now I want to reassign this variable. Use x slicing operator 6, that is 0 to 5, then concat string ideally. So when you run this statement, it will return Python ideally, because it will extract 0 to 5, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. It means it will extract Python from this argument and it will concat ideally with Python. So that's all in this video, and in our next video we will learn some string special operators. Thank you for watching.